We're making food for the Cub Scouts Blue and Gold banquet. Dude, that's so cool. Oh, it looks purple, but it's not.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Look at that.
Put a can of water in there, Cub Scout.
It's supposed to be red.
We got a hashtag Cub Scouts, hashtag webelos,
Yeah,
hashtag
I know. That's what we're making.
Blue and Gold Banquet 2025.
Yep. A cup of water. Full thing?
Yep.
Okay, should be good. Same one?
Yep. Where are you from?
Louisiana.
Put a dash of that in there.
Both?
Right there. 3 dashes.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, we did 4.
Whatever. That looks good. She got me a light shoe. What's going on, Oreo?
Alright, you got
Ew.
to
Alright, what have I got to do?
cut carrots.
Cut carrots? Okay. 1 second. Okay.
Oh, you paused it?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright, that's enough carrots there. Just,
Use that one?
cut them all in half.
Oh, no.
Yep. There you go. Well, that one, like the big one's cut in 3 pieces. Or 4. Now, move your fingers out of the way. You don't need your fingers. It's not cheating to line them up beforehand.
I know, that's what I'm doing right now.
There you go. Wait, no, cut those again. Little pieces. Like, so everybody gets a bite of carrot.
Oh,
You don't even care at all. I have to stir. I need water. No, you're cutting slices. You're lazy.
it's fine.
Here, pause this. How do you get stop?
Hit the red button. That's the carrots that I diced. Here you go, in they go. You know, I'm gonna dice some potatoes. Put a like on this video if you like my cutting job. Nick Kavanji, please see this video. Here we go.